It's Tuesday, March 22nd, and welcome to the mid-evening edition of my webcast. As we take a look at radar currently across the region, there's not a lot of precipitation showing up, with the exception still of some scattered flurries being driven in by those high and gusty westerly winds out the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and that's for Cape Breton. We are, however, going to see some increasing cloudiness as we move through tonight. The good news, though, when it comes to those winds, is those are going to be slowly diminishing as we head through tonight. Now, currently, this evening across the region, they are still on the gusty side. We're seeing them sustained in most cases between 20 and 30 kilometers per hour, but a few of those gusts still in the range of 40 to 70 kilometers per hour. The strongest of those gusts around coastal areas of Prince Edward Island and Cape Breton, and that's still all being driven by that spring storm that went through us on Monday. That weather system has now gained strength and stalled out near the southeastern coastline of Labrador, and around that low, they're looking at extensive blizzard conditions in Labrador and wind gusts in excess of 100 kilometers per hour across much of Newfoundland for tonight. So for us, things are improving, but there is still in store for some wild weather just to the north and northeast. As we take a look at our forecast model moving forward, there is a system we have to keep track of for tomorrow. So first of all, as we make our way towards midnight tonight, there will be a few isolated flurries that develop in the north of New Brunswick, increasing cloudiness across the region. And then here we are Wednesday morning, widespread area of some relatively light snow coming through southern parts of New Brunswick into Nova Scotia. Some of this as well building up into Prince Edward Island. This is going to lead to some local accumulations of 2 to 5 centimeters. Now in the southwest of Nova Scotia, where temperatures are expected to be warmer, mostly Digby, Yarmouth, Shelburne, parts of Queens and Lunenburg counties, this is going to be mostly in the form of some rain showers, bringing in some rainfall amounts of 2 to 5 millimeters. This is a quick moving weather system, so as you can see, by around the early to mid-afternoon, most of it is clear of us, and there are going to be some clear or clearing conditions in behind it for the rest of Wednesday. Low temperatures in the forecast for tonight. Coldest temperatures in New Brunswick will be in the northwestern corner of the province. Some lows between minus 12 and minus 10. Much of the rest of that province with lows between minus 9 and minus 6. Prince Edward Island will be down near minus 6 tonight, mostly clear skies. And in the forecast across Nova Scotia, low temperatures chilliest in parts of Cape Breton and in the north of the province, parts of Cumberland, Colchester counties, inland areas around the Minus Basin, down to around minus 6. Much of the rest of the province between minus 4 and 0. Highs in the forecast for tomorrow. In northern parts of New Brunswick, high temperatures stopping between minus 6 and minus 3, which is below normal for this time of the year. But in the southwestern corner, it is going to be a good deal milder for the afternoon. 5 degrees in the forecast for St. Stephen down towards Grand Manan, even Fredericton, St. John and Moncton getting above the freezing mark for the afternoon. Prince Edward Island in the morning hours, around 2 centimeters of snow moving through. Then there'll be some clearing late afternoon and evening. High temperatures to be around minus 2 or minus 3. And across Nova Scotia for tomorrow, high temperatures between 0 and 6 degrees for the province. Mildest in the southwest, where it's mostly going to be morning rain showers. The rest of Nova Scotia seeing that quick moving round of snow moving through, bringing in those amounts of 2 to 5 centimeters. Jumping forward and talking about Friday quickly, there's going to be a warm front that is setting up across the region. Now initially, Thursday night, this is going to start as snow across much of New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island. But as that warm front moves in, that snow is going to mix with and turn through some ice pellets and freezing rain. So Friday morning, risk of freezing rain across much of New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, even some northeastern parts of Nova Scotia, and snow that will amount to 10 centimeters or more for far northern parts of New Brunswick. So keep this in mind for your travel plans near the end of the week. If you want to avoid this weather system, you're going to have to wrap up your travel Thursday evening or travel behind this weather system after it clears, and that will be early Saturday morning. There is a special weather statement out ahead of that weather system already by Environment Canada, just saying that snow, that freezing rain will be developing, especially for New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island Thursday night and in place for Friday. So the 7-day outlook moving forward, we have to watch out for that icy mix of weather at the end of the week. After that is clearing conditions for New Brunswick on Saturday and mostly sunny skies on Sunday. That'll be followed up by a chance of showers on Monday and the possibility of a mixture of rain and snow next Tuesday. For Prince Edward Island, tomorrow morning, 2 centimeters of snow. Thursday, increasing cloudiness, snow beginning Thursday night and then turning through some freezing rain, and then likely a changeover to rain for Prince Edward Island with that weather system on Friday. So it's the morning hours where conditions could be slickest. After that, Saturday is a mix of sun and cloud, and Sunday is mostly sunny. For Nova Scotia, tomorrow flurries in the morning 2 to 5 centimeters, except in the southwest of the province where it will be rain showers. Increasing cloudiness on Thursday. Be careful about a little bit of light freezing rain very early Friday morning, but after that it's rain for the province as much as 15 to 30 millimeters. After that, a mix of sun and cloud on Saturday and mostly sunny skies still in the forecast for Sunday.